The Mobile Summer Institute, or MoSI, is a 4-day-long teaching workshop which introduces faculty to evidence-based teaching practices, including active learning that really involves students in their education.
I think as faculty members, we put our students into groups and we expect it to go great and the students will have a great time with it. But a lot of times being in a group is a challenge.
So the idea is faculty working together to model what actually we will hope happen in the classroom.
There's a lot of active learning, discussion, small group work. It's not just delivering information from the organizers to the participants.
They're working together, they're compromising, they're forming a group. There's no better way to learn than actually with hands-on learning, and we wanted the faculty to experience that before actually they are asking the students to do that.
When faculty members are put together into groups and they have to work collaboratively to produce some end product that they can use in the classroom. And sometimes that's very, very challenging. However, I think the final product that's produced is a lot more useful and a lot more well-rounded and polished than it would be if it was just one person working on it individually.
We're doing it because we wanted to improve our teaching so that we serve our students better. And at the end, we become a family with a common goal. So it makes it all worth it because now we are kind of together toward the same goal and we feel like we have a mini family of the MoSI that we can reach out to.